Good afternoon, guys. I hope that you are doing well. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video we are going to be talking about everything moisture. So a lot of you guys have been complaining about dryness, and I know where the problem is, right? And you can in the comment section say, yes, you are right, Tshidi, I have been doing XYZ, and because of this video I will be able to improve the health of my hair in general. So before that, so you guys, I don't know, I think a ton of you actually missed it, but my favorites didn't. Those that have the notification bells on have joined me on my live that I had on Friday. It was amazing, so you guys can still watch it. I did upload it on my channel. Just join me next time because we had so much fun. I think there's a new subscriber called Jaden, so Jaden, if you're watching this, hey girl, I didn't forget you. Bianca, thank you. Amanda, who came late, yes, but she still showed up. A lot of you guys were there. I know I'm not saying everybody's name, don't don't be fighting me here. But you guys know I appreciate you so much, and thank you so much for showing up. You guys, if you don't know where I post all of these polls, I'll put it up here and show you guys where you can talk to me and interact with me regularly, or anytime I actually post something on YouTube. And then I am going to be introducing you guys to new brands, so I'm really pretty excited for the next 2 months. So anyway, let me quickly give you guys my feedback on Design Essential. So Design Essential, in case you guys missed it, it's this brand, right? I have been using the moisturizer to moisturize my hair and their leave-in conditioner. So here are my final thoughts, right? I think it's a great summer product. I don't think I would ever recommend to use the specific line from them in the winter time, only because it does not have a lot of oils. And you guys will see in today's video I'm going to be covering oils, water, and everything like that. And for me, because it didn't have a lot of oils, my scalp was experiencing a lot of dryness. So I like this brand for styling, not for moisturizing. I would love to use it in the summertime with you guys, so I can do a twist out or some sort of style, and then we can actually give the product, I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt because I actually like it. I don't have anything negative per se, don't buy the product. Buy the product, but buy the product in the summer. Buy the product, but know that you must base your scalp a little bit more regularly, you know what I mean? So it's a little bit just tweak it a bit, but I don't want to be working that hard, so I'd rather use both of these products as styling products instead of moisturizing products. So I love them. Okay, so that's actually my final thoughts on Design Essential. I did mention in my live, again, kick yourself in the back because you were not there. I already announced who I'm going to be moisturizing with next, which is I never know how to say that name. Non-allergical. You guys know what I'm trying to say. I'll show you somewhere here. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. If you are washing your hair, then I don't know if you're aware of this, but your wash day and moisturizing routine consists of 3 stages. You have your penetrative stage, which is basically anytime you're going to be pre-pooing your hair. Then you have your moisture stage, which is anytime you're going to be applying moisture onto your hair. And then your last stage, which is protective stage or phase, right? However you want to call it, right? So anyway, let me start like this. So anytime you're going to be washing your hair, it's important for you guys to pre-poo, especially if you have high porosity hair. Not saying when you have low porosity you shouldn't, but you're supposed to. Okay, so anytime you're going to be touching your hair, putting on, whether it is a co-wash or whatever the case may be, please make sure that you are pre-pooing your hair, because pre-pooing is basically ensuring that you don't suffer from something that's called hydro fatigue, which is basically when there is an excessive amount of water that enters into your hair shaft, which can actually lead to dryness. So some of you guys have been saying that your hair is dry. It could be that you're suffering from hydro fatigue because you are skipping pre-pooing. Pre-pooing is a protective layer that you add onto your hair, because when you're actually shampooing your hair, some shampoos contain negative charged ingredients, and that it can actually damage your hair shaft. I know this sounds crazy, but shampooing is actually just meant for the scalp and not necessarily your hair. So anytime you're applying shampoo and you just rub it and then you start massaging it into your hair, you are actually damaging your hair. However, when you have pre-pooed, you are actually performed a protective measure, because now your hair is going to be protected even if you are washing your hair incorrectly, even though I highly recommend that you do not do so, and just focus your shampoo onto your scalp, just like so. So when you're shampooing, you shampoo just your scalp and not necessarily your hair. Your shampoo will travel down and you will be able to get that shampoo onto your hair shaft, but you don't necessarily want to purposefully apply it onto your hair shaft. I hope that makes sense. Then you're going to move on to your moisturizing routine. So moisturizing for me starts in your wash day, because your wash day basically sets the tone of how your hair is going to be behaving throughout the whole week, the following week, until your next wash day. So you have to make sure that you are using the right deep conditioners for your hair. Just another thing, just a side note, I didn't know that you can use a deep conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. I mean, I've known this, but I've never really been a fan of it. I actually want to try it out for like a week or so, just to use my deep conditioner as a leave-in, you know, just dilute it with some water and be good to go, and then use that with some oils and a cream. So that's just a side note, just so you know. If you run out of a deep conditioner, if you run out of a leave-in conditioner, you can just use your deep conditioner, just dilute it and you're good to go. However, if you run out of deep conditioner, you cannot use your leave-in conditioner to deep condition your hair, because your deep conditioner has more ingredients. There's like a whole science to it, but even though like both products have similar ingredients, the deep conditioner has like more healthier ones, or rather more stronger ones than your leave-in conditioner. So your leave-in conditioner can't really deep condition your hair. But anyway, let me go back, I digress. So your moisture starts anytime you slap on your deep conditioner. And the one thing I'll always say, whether you have low porosity or high porosity, please use indirect heat. So use your deep conditioner with a hooded dryer or something like a microfiber towel that you can, like, I don't know, microwave or something like that and put it in your hair, because you want to make sure that you are getting the benefits. You're really getting every ingredient into your hair shaft. Even if, like, you guys always, you know, I always say this, even if it's not a great conditioner, try to use indirect heat. Guys, you know, I am in front of the window, so I can see now I'm becoming brighter. It's not me, it's the sun. It's like, you know, shining actually. I don't know if I like it yet, but anyway, let me continue. So anytime you are going to be, so that's where your moisture routine starts. It starts anytime you put on your deep conditioner, and then you're going to move on to using a leave-in conditioner, and then you're going to use a oil, and then you're going to seal. Now, just to clarify, okay, I know a lot of you guys are still confused about which oils to pair with which hair type. So if you have low porosity, you have to use light oils, okay? And when you have high porosity, you can get away. In fact, use that castor oil because your hair absolutely loves it, okay? So if you are somebody that is struggling and you don't know which oils I'm supposed to pair with my hair and all that kind of stuff, comment down below and I will be able to help you, or I'll create like a separate video. And I think I have a dedicated video for just oils for low porosity. I'll just link it up here for you just to help you. But if you are still struggling, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you like a list of oils that you can use for your hair, and you don't always have to struggle so much, okay? Then you must also understand the other thing is that most products are about 70% water and 30% like other ingredients and oils somewhere in between, okay? So your hair is lipophilic, which just means that your hair prefers oils over water. I know it sounds crazy, but that's the truth. That's why I'm such a huge fan on oils. So this is everything that I've just mentioned now. It all comes in that middle part, which is your moisture routine. So this is where moisture comes in, guys. So you don't start your moisturizing routine when you're actually moisturizing, but you start it when you deep condition your hair. Then you're going to use some sort of protective style. So you're going to braid your hair, you're going to put your hair up in a twist. My hair is up in a twist and just a little bun thingy there, and you're good to go. You guys know how much I love twists. They are how I've been growing my hair. I like it, that low maintenance, like I don't have to stress too much about it. So basically, guys, everything that I've just mentioned now, I feel like I have been talking about it more, like since I've started this channel, but now I'm trying to make it make sense for you so that you understand when I say to you guys, that it's so important for you to pre-poo your hair anytime you're going to be washing your hair. So even if you're just washing your hair mid-week because you used a wrong product, try to maybe use coconut oil, like just leave it on your hair for 30 minutes. You don't want to suffer from hydro fatigue, because hydro fatigue leads to over moisturized hair, which means that your hair will just keep stretching, and then break, which is actually very, very, very unhealthy for your hair. It's actually more difficult to recover from over moisturization than under moisturizing, if that makes sense. So don't be that person, all right? So guys, I hope everything that I mentioned ties in together with everything I've been teaching you guys, because it has to be that way, right? You can't skip. You can't say I'm going to pre-poo and then I'm just going to move right on to deep conditioning. You have to wash your hair, and I think a lot of us don't wanna understand that washing your hair is actually that important, and clarifying your scalp, because your hair cannot grow from a dirty scalp. It needs to be clean so that it can produce fresh hair. So I hope that everything I've been saying makes a lot of sense, and if it does, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't skip all the ads, you guys. And I tried to make this video especially long for that one person that always asks for long videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, my girl here, she's producing a new leaf. She's just too heavy for me to carry and show you guys, but my little alocasia is giving birth, so I am very, very happy, because that just shows that, you know, I'm a great mom. Yay. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.